Hi, I'm James, and I'm here to show you how to put together your new MC-2000 massage chair. All you need is 20 minutes of time and a Phillips Head Screwdriver. Let's get started. Once you get everything out of the box, it should all look like this. The first step is to attach the backrest. There are 4 zipper locations for the backrest, right on the seat, on both sides of the backrest, and on top. Now it's time to attach the armrests, but first, we need to remove the 4 screws in the base of the chair. Now that we have the screws out, we can go ahead and install our armrest. You should hear a click when it's secured. Once secured, lower the armrest down to line up with the screw holes on the chair. And reattach the screws. Connect the air hoses to the attached nozzles in the armrest. Connect the wire harness to activate the LED light on the side of the armrest. The black air hose connects to the hip airbags. More on that later. Before we attach the speakers, we have to remove the speaker screws, which come pre-attached in the armrest. Now we can install the speaker. To be sure you're connecting the speaker on the correct side, look on the back of the speaker for an R or an L indicating the right or the left. First, attach the air hose and the wiring harness. When plugging in the speakers, make sure the release tabs are lined up. Guide the speaker onto the bottom post first, and then the top one. Once attached, you should be able to secure it in place by gently pushing downward. Unzip the fabric around the speaker to reveal the screw hole. Carefully guide the screw through the hole and into the threads on the armrest. Next, we can install the hip airbags. Line up the 2 prongs on the airbag with the 2 holes in the seat of the chair and push down until it's flush. Make sure the air hoses are exiting out of the front of the airbag when installing. When installing the hip side airbag, make sure that the narrower end is facing forward. This is important to the functionality of the chair. We're going to repeat this installation process for the other side of the chair as well. Now it's time to install the foot massager. But first, we need to remove the screws from the hinges on the front of the chair. Attach the 3 color-coded air hoses, and then the wiring harness. Lift up the foot massager and guide it into the hinges. Now you can install the screws again. Next, attach the pillow into place with the Velcro. Finally, it's time to plug in the remote. The top of the plug is indicated for your convenience. Feed it through the armrest and store it in the convenient pocket. Now all we have to do is plug this into the base of the chair and turn it on. That's everything you need to know to install your new MC-2000 massage chair. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about your chair, feel free to give our customer service team a call at 1-888-264-1766.